Once you're on your computer, type in Adobe Creative Cloud, and this screen will pop up. You're going to go down to Premiere Pro. Make sure that your app is definitely up to date and select Open. Once the app is open, this blank page will appear. Rename your file to whatever you want it to be. And then you're going to go down to the bottom right of your screen and you're going to select the blue button that says Create. To import or to add the files that you want, you can go up to the top left of your screen and go to File Open to open a previous file that you had, or go to File Import and open the file that you want. Another option is on the bottom left of your screen. You see where it says Import Media to start. Double click that square and select the file that you want to open. I'm going to open this sample file right here. Select your image, drag and drop it to your timeline. Once on your timeline, if you want to make any changes, make sure your image is selected. But right now we see that it is a little square for me. I want my settings to be more horizontal. So I'm going to go up to the top left, select sequence settings. For the sake of today's video, I'm going to put our settings as 1280 by 720. You can also play around with some of these other settings, but we'll get to that in another video. Once you're done selecting your dimensions, select OK. Click OK. And now you have all of this black space behind your image. I want to fill it in with a color. I want it to blend with my image. So I want this color, instead of black, I want it to be white. So what I'm going to do is go to the left bottom of your screen where you previously imported your photos, and you're going to go to the bottom and select the little square tab that has part of it flipped up like a page, and that says New Item. Select New Item, select Color Matte, select OK on the blue button, and now you can play around with whatever color you want it to be. I'm going to choose white for the sake of this video. Once you select your color, click OK. Right here, you can rename your file to whatever you want it to be. I'm going to rename my file to white background. Once you're done renaming your file, select OK. Now, my background has appeared on the left side where my previous photos are. I'm going to select, drag, and drop it to my timeline. The important part here is I want my image to be above my background so that I can see the white background. So I'm going to drag the image to the top layer on my timeline and keep my white background as the bottom layer. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.